I've seen some things, but you'll never guess what I caught this couple doing in the back of my cab. They were only delivering a full-blown business brief.
Getting some self-control.
He's a first grade.
He was particularly strong in many areas, and I think that...
Me so it doesn't hurt. I want you.
Weren't designed for today's mobile world of work. Over 300,000 businesses trust Ring Central to keep their employees connected in the office, at home, or on the go. Set up users with calls, call recording, even conferencing, and manage your entire system on your smartphone with low monthly pricing. Sign up for a free trial at ringcentral.co.uk.